Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious custard cake recipe. But before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Firstly, let's prepare the biscuit base. In your food processor, add 250 grams of tea biscuits, then process it for about 2 minutes or until you get a smooth mixture of crumbs. Now melt 100 grams of unsalted or salted butter. I'm using salted butter. Then pour the melted butter into the biscuit crumbs. Then pulse it to incorporate. Now take a springform pan and let's prepare the base of the cake. Now put the crumbs mixture into the springform pan. Next, shape it by hand or by using a spatula. Then freeze it for about 15 minutes. Now let's prepare the cake mixture. Take 750 milliliters of water, then add 5 tablespoons of milk powder to the water. Then add 2 packets of cream caramel. Next, mix it well to incorporate. Then finally, make sure to boil it. Now take a blender jar and add 200 grams of tea biscuits, (170 grams of cream, and your boiled cream caramel mixture. If you're not sure about your blender jar with hot items, then let the caramel mixture to cool down and proceed the same way. After adding all your ingredients, blend all together to incorporate. Now pour the cake mixture on top of the biscuit base. Then shape it evenly. After that, refrigerate it for about 2 hours. Finally, garnish with some cocoa powder on top of the cake. And now it's finally done. Serve and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!